Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, with a sister, with a friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed yet before, thank you and God bless you. I know some people don't know how to subscribe, but I'll tell you how to subscribe. So you see, if you see that red line where they there, that red line, now you just press. That red line with the right subscribe. So now there you just press. Then you subscribe. Then you see that place where they put like. They put one hand like this. You just see press on. Just see press like there. And the bell where they there wait for subscribe. If you want press on, you'll see press that bell where they there. In case if I put any video, you will be the first person to know. So thank you everybody. Thank you my people. One news gonna come out today. This news you know, say ever since we talk about ladies, our men they disappoint our women, our men they disappoint girls, you know. But now one man can't cry out. He can't say, Lady J, you want to talk your own story too. Wetin woman see do. You understand? Say wetin woman doing years back. Wetin make am be say he no go fit even follow another woman again, not fit trust another woman again. He say the thing don't eat am for belle, the thing don't eat am. He no fit bear am again. So he wants to talk in your story out. Make people see take learn. You understand? Make men like am take learn too. Wetin some women they do too. Because ever since we always talk about, now some men break this one out, now some men break this woman out. Now he said no. He wants to talk in your too. You understand? So Mona listen, my people, this story, it really did touch. She gets as it be, you know, the way some women take this behave sometimes it's not really good. You understand? So this man, I say you can't know this lady. So this lady, he had day another country before. So she carried belle come Germany here. So when she carried belle come long time ago, the man tell am make come born for Germany. Say he go come meet am later. So she can't really come born. Then later now, the man no come again. The man can't disappoint am. So she can't dey here years back say na this thing happen not be now. So that time Aduro they really hard well. So the woman Aduro can't die. So they can't say they will even deport her. She can't dey frustrated. After she don't born a pikin, she can't dey frustrated. She not get paper. She no know she want waka. They want deport her. So now she can't meet this man. This man not be Nigeria. Now from another country. You understand? But I don't want to talk where he for come. You know. So the man come approach her. So two of them can start to the date. So from there now the man can say he go marry am. So two of them can date, the man can marry am. They can't do court marriage for a year. Two of them. So they can't deal, they can't born, they can't see you can't born 3 children for the man. During the one where she bring come to. So it can't be 4. So then then she can't get belle again for the 4th one for the man. So then the man can say, you never go Nigeria ever since. May you still go Nigeria, may you still go for visit. How many years when you don't take the Europe, you never go Nigeria? At least may you still go Nigeria, may you still go see your people. You understand? So now she can say, okay, she can't go. And that time she get belle, she just need taking for another one again. So she can't go Nigeria. And she go Nigeria now. So one day she come dey stroll. You know, say if you go Nigeria, you want to see waka small now, see groove yourself, you know. So as she dey go, now she come see her ex-boyfriend. Everybody that year, and everybody dates guy now where you get S, you know. So she come see her ex-boyfriend brother. He come say, they come greet each other. He come say, I come ask of the guy. He come say the guy dey he never still marry you see he did there, you know. So now he come say, may just still go greet him. He can go greet the guy. As he go greet the guy now she come in with the guy. Nobody know what this guy can do to Ramo according to the man. He not really know. As she reach there now, he see the man, the guy. From there, in with the guy, you just start to the date again. The next thing, they love this guy. Oh, you know, what is she called? They tell her friends now and love. The way he love you, yes, so he don't see him, he want come back to his boyfriend. Do because now what do they tell you? This man will make you get documents, do everything for you. You want to disappoint this man? You want to disappoint him? I beg, not do this thing to this man. This man too nice. He don't deserve this punishment when you want to give him now. He said no, but not where anybody wanted him to give where she go take her. Even all her friends, they can't even they fear. Say I've been adjust that one that ES guy used for him. As she come back, now she go remove the pregnancy. He say want go back to his house, so he not love the guy when they met this man when he did with you. Now out of frustration, he follow him. This is that oh, yeah. For what did this man do for you? And that even that first pikin when he bring, now this man even puts in paper for him. They stand as father for that one. She said no, she don't want the man again, no. She don't want again, no. This is that oh. Now they call the face a joke. She can't, after she don't go do remove the belly, she can't they misbehave to the man, so she can't they get plan to drive the man. You know say this man get level pass her for year. You don't know, she don't know. So she can't see even go to Nigeria again for visit. She go see the guy. So they love the guy now come the shack him, you know. So now she can now this man can see say this woman want use brain for him, not to drive him. Come on for house. So waiting him go do this man. Now this man don't tell ye. So this man can go meet our house lender for ye. So people wait there, they go no understand. The people wait there, they go understand what be house lender. Like all those people where we say the authority where they take care of children, you know. So this man can't go there. He can't go quick, fake. Because the woman go Nigeria. So before the woman come, he don't do everything. He can't go tell them say he can't carry the children follow body. He can't say the woman a bad woman. Now so the woman not they take care of the children. Now so him. Now so the woman they beat the children. They do this, you know. They can't believe the man. They can't wait for her now. So when she come, because she won't come frustrate the man. So what you say when you do to what they don't go do to you, not done to another person. That be this thing where I put to this lady so because she's not the get plan where she wants to drive the man so that if he just come for Nigeria, he go come drive the man, bring this ES guy come Europe. So God won't come punish him now. Before she come, this man don't make her arrangement, everything. So when she just come, now so those want to wait for her and say, make you drop a key, so they don't stay this house again. So they don't, your children don't testify against her, say not to take care of this, then a bad woman. But the one when she bring from another country, can't say born for year, the man claim everything. Then she can't be frustrated. So she go say, what did she go do now? She can't go start also again. When I understand now about some of our women, you can't go start to the stay, you can't go the also, can't go, you know, she never even care. Or I want to bring the guy. So she can't go the also, can't the also from there. She can't gather small money, she can't go Nigeria, go marry the guy for Nigeria. As you can't go marry the guy now, they can't use and take swear. Now understand that swear, now that juju. We be say you go swear, say you don't go feel shit on your husband, no. You don't go feel go outside, do. You don't go feel do anything bad, do. So she can't go swear. As she swear and finish now, she can't come back. No ask to stay, nothing. She not feel go also again because they use that. They swear. Not be she can't dey. She can't sleep friend's house. You know to get where she dey stay again. So now, she can't see say she not fit take this nonsense again. She not fit take this thing again. We be say she can't dey sleep for one house to another. Now she can't tell the boy say, "But I said that swear when I use it to swear." She go. Una go return that course because of that course, she not fit do anything again. I beg Mona return her because she need to find money when she go say bring you come. I beg. I can't beg the guy because say I go to tell the family that kind of thing. How she go to tell the family that kind of thing say me they go return course. The thing get as it be. Then she can't say no, you must do it for a more. If not, we go dey frustrated though. We go do this so you can't beg the man so that the man can relate to a family after enough quarrel so they can't return the cost for her. Now she can't go start also again, which she can't bring the man. So now at the end, which she can't bring the man say frustrate him. The man say frustrate him. The man can go marry another young girl where they can't see for a year. So I say, you see. I tell the man, say, you see, and God see fight for you. So, you know, if he I don't say it dey painful. Say what you no expect. Say they go do to you. What you no expect for a woman when you really love. You can't do that kind of thing to you. It dey painful, my people. You know, but and what to do? So this one a lesson. If God give you better guy, God give you better man, use your hand take hold am. Use your hand take hold am. Nobody really know what that yes guy do to am. Nobody really know. And if you go Nigeria, must you go look for your ex guy? Your past is your past. You don't get what you want to use your past to do again. Let your past be history for you. You don't get what you want to use and to do again. Maybe say you be married woman. Because they can do anything, all those Nigeria guys. They can do anything to you. So you don't need them, my people. So this one a lesson to our women. If you see better guy, use your hand. Take hold am well. Not go through me and more because of SO. So this one a advice to our ladies where they get her wrong. So thank you everybody. Thank you. So if you get any contribution where you want to give, you can give your contribution. You can leave your comments there. So thank you everybody and God bless you. So this message when I give today, the thing it really touched me. So it touched me. The way it touched me, now I say no, I must talk them out so that make other ladies will be say that they go Nigeria, go they look for their S, but they use them to learn. So thank you everybody, and our hookup is still there. If you need the responsible man and the responsible woman, contact Lady J. I'm still here for you people. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.